Sa mga tagsa na ultiman, naman ito pa. Naman ito po. Yan ano may marunong takasak. Ano muli nga naman? Na nagsul-sul din mo ng matilipin. Harap sa kating may tiputa, kanakakata. Sinasakan na. Kamu na nga sa kalbalong di pagkuran. Kamu na nga sa atigan ni matilipin sa katanga. Natabanan ni Gonsawa. Rana ka na miskin ng mga karati. Sa kamu na sa talpungaman ni Meokan. Tamban ni Meo Turagata, Chan Rewa. Santan sa tuna ka na konsilis. Kamu na sa talaan ng muni punwa. Purupusanga. Diyan na matapos niya sana. Santan sa tuna na yun yung matapos. Muna sana malinugod sa buwa. Kasama ang turang ang punpal. Sa kamu na sa talaan ng muni punwa. Magamo ka. May pangarita din nila may kimami na may kimami na ang mga pala utang. Nagkamutaro ako mas katumay sa kabin na may sakit ng kami. Nanawalo na ba ito sa kanato ni Misangka? Lalo ni Waray nung alupo ka makatuwa. Nangangagay ka ng nonratagi. Malaw ni naman ito mo. Gumabali mo na ka ni tapon doon ng nalawa ni Palong. Namun ni saru sa katina lo mani bale bre tapi di pakatulwa. Doon magkirasakan na ngana. Sa may tinubutang sa binan patakatan ni nagtagin ng grupo na. Nagtako. Nakasama pala ako na lalo ni may utak ng pakatulwa. Sa mga tagin ni Pula Pak Kristo. Sa masakanin tabi may garag. Sa sinusong may garag. Nanggaramil sa kanila, lewin nung nipon mo. Baga din mo yung nartang, naroon mo sa kanila, tumun nara ker-ker. Sa mga butukan sa kanila sinyanday.
It is a very historic occasion, and I'm very happy to be here in this memorable occasion to the people of Tonga. As an incoming government, FRE is under my portfolio, and I thank God for this opportunity and His divine time and will to be minister responsible today. I'm from this province for the information of our guests today, but as you understand, I look after the whole of Fiji and not only Rewa province. So I'm asking for the people of Rewa not to force me to put their issues in front of others. Because right now, I'm looking after the whole country. But as I mentioned, we have been elected by you to serve, and that is what we will be doing for the next 4 years, not only for this infrastructure, but also all over Fiji. As you understand, one of our main messages during our campaign is the reorganization of public works, and that is what we are doing. One of the key issues is some of the maybe roads, community roads, etc., have not been adequately served, and that will be the focus of the revamped Public Works Department. You will also notice the government properties, buildings, hospitals. Some may also have been not maintained up to the standard as required. That is also an area of focus for our reviewed Public Works Department in terms of the proper management of government assets. I know that today's occasion is worth a long wait, as we will all witness. The new Tonga Bridge is an investment of $5 million, and the completion of this project will mean that crossing over this side to Tonga on a punt during floods will be a thing of the past. The China Railway Group, first group, is the nominated contractor who will be responsible for the construction of the new bridge, while the Fiji Roads Authority will be monitoring the works to ensure that it is built to standard. I thank the management of China Railway First Group and all its staff for their work so far in our nation of Fiji. The new bridge will benefit the people of Tonga and all those in the Tikin of Tonga. As an incoming government, as I mentioned, it is our priority that there is reliable network for all Fijians, particularly rural dwellers and those in the maritime community. It gives me great pleasure to officiate this groundbreaking ceremony and the commencement of works on this new Tonga Bridge.